What's up everyone, Jeeper Gary here. Just a very quick update before we get started. New garage, new truck, new microphone. Hopefully it sounds good and hopefully it doesn't detonate. That's about it. Today we're installing the decked system. I'll overlay some stuff here, what I'm talking about. I got the 2026 GMC Canyon. I also got a new camera, by the way. Forgot. Maybe I'll do more in-depth stuff about the GMC Canyon at some point. Let's get started. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. It is very hot. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm just decked out with all my deck gear because I'm excited. No pun intended. Got the 4 hooks, tie downs. So this is what we're installing first. Clamp plate, which means I gotta get it in the truck. I figure out which size everything is. Ready to install the clamp. Ow! Oh shit, it's so fucking hot. It's like I'm on top of a roof. Everything's so hot when I touch it. Symbol the falling outside of the box. Hopefully this isn't a 2-man lift. I am uno mano. Pick the hottest day to do this shit. Perfect. Close enough. Good. Don't care about it. I don't care. I installed the wheels. This needs to be flipped. All right, I'm gonna get it in there and be right back. Isn't it pretty crazy that before the internet and all this technology, they would actually have to plant evidence on you physically? And now in this day and age, they can just airdrop it on your iPhone. Anyways, I got it in the truck bed here, I guess. I need to weigh myself after this. I lost like 20, 30 pounds. If I sound too quiet, it's because I'm dying. Okay, step 12. The home stretch. Oh, don't spill my beer. Most important thing. Okay. So I'm not sure when the memory card ran out in this camera. I'm on my phone now. I got it all installed. You got Milwaukee inflator. Some other impact and ratchet. Battery. I don't know what to use this for. Could be like a tackle box. And here, got a med kit. But that's about all I have now to put in there. Yep, I'm gonna go vomit. So, catch you next time.